Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to hide Android hotspot from the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to click on the connection setting, this one. And after that, you're going to open the mobile hotspot and tethering and tap on the mobile hotspot. Then you're going to click on configure option, this one. And on this configure option, you have to tap on the advanced setting. This is the advanced setting. Tap on this option. Then you can scroll down until you find the hidden network option. Then you can simply tap on this button to activate the hidden network. Okay, and after you activate this feature, your mobile hotspot's name won't appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks on another device. And after that, you can click on Save to save this setting. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide Android hotspot from the list of available Wi-Fi networks. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.